Hello guys, welcome to DATAHACKS. In this video, I'm going to explain about Cypress selectors. Before start to learn selector, we have to understand what is DOM. DOM is nothing but document object model. It is used to load the page with the elements. So these elements will create a structure for your page. We can also access your elements within the page using this DOM. So here you can see the example image. So all these elements will form as a tree or structure to create a page. So with the help of this, we can change the styles and elements attributes of the uh, elements in a web page, and we can also handle the events. So when you want to access the particular element, you can use ID, tag name, class name, CSS selectors, and those you can use those selectors to access the particular elements. So to access or manipulate those things, you have to use class name, ID, and attributes. Here you can see it is a DOM is a commonly used standards. We call this a World Wide Web Consortium, and the common definition for W3 document object model is it is a platform and a language neutral interface that allow program and script to dynamically access the update update the content structure and style of the document. So here previously here we have write our hello world program to test whether the content is submitting or not. So for this we have used the selectors to access the element and update the data and to access the button and click. So let me start this Cypress clear npx Cypress open. So the Cypress test runner is opening. Let's start the end-to-end testing and start with Chrome. Select the spec file. So previously we have used the demo spec file, and here you can see we selected all the test selector using only this selector tool. So if we click, and if I'm going to click this one, if I'm going to select this one, and if I'm going to click this one, we are going to get the selector tool, but it will not optimal solution in everywhere. So we have to create a or generate the selector on our own. So for that, first I'm going to copy this URL, and here we can inspect. So we can access the developer tools. So if I am going to click on this particular elements, if I am going to click here means this element will highlight the tag in the front end. So we can easily generate the selectors. So here you can use class name dot feedback underscore input as a selector. So I will also introduce few selector generating tools. We can learn those things in upcoming videos. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe the YouTube channel.